Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will just write the normal writing. I have taken one, two, three, four rule paper in which I will write the names of the week. Okay, you see I have taken one Pilot B5 high tech point 0.5 pen. Okay, you can also use a pencil or any pen, but I prefer it to write. I love it. Okay, so let's write in a normal cursive. Okay, normal cursive. Okay, cursive. Names of day. It's my normal handwriting. When I write like this, I love to write like this. Okay, let's start with, I love the Sunday. Let's start with the Sunday. Or you can write like this, simply in a cursive way, very simple way, like this, very smoothly, slowly, for the beginners who are in school. Like this. Okay. This angle and this angle is different, but you can also write like this. I am writing it again, simple way. SUNDAY. You see, in cursive we have to join the alphabets correctly. Okay, maintaining the proper space and gaps. Let's write it once again like this. As if you want to give more space, you can also give it like this. Okay, now let's go for Monday. Okay, this one is the advanced one, but who are just beginners, you can just write like this. Be very slow. Sometime it will happen, they will go out of line like this or like this. It doesn't matter. You practice and then it will look like this. Join it from here. MONDAY. Very slowly go down, turn it from here and end it here. Okay, for the beginners I prefer the pencil. Okay, now I'll write with a pencil. I know the video will be long, but it will be worth watching. Okay, this one is a pencil. What happens when you write with a pencil? Then you have a grip on the pencil and the page and the paper and the nib of the pen, like this. The Monday. Okay, like this. I'm just going down just to show you the beauty of this. But when you will write in between the lines, it will look like this. Okay, so this is how it is written cursive. Cursive means you have to join the alphabets and every alphabet will look beautiful and in a perfect angle. Okay, now see, I will write in a fast way total alphabets Monday, Tuesday. Okay, okay, like this. Now see, this is totally different from this one. Okay, if you want to write in a simple cursive for the beginners, you will just write like this. Okay, but when you will write in a perfect way, when you will just learn the fluent way, you can just write like this one. Okay, thanks, good night.